This is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel KSR English. Now we are going to discuss about conditional clauses. How many kinds of conditional clauses and what are their function? Let us learn now. Before moving on my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos and express your feelings by commenting. Thank you. Let us learn if clause. It is a conditional clause. Okay, there are four kinds of clauses. Zero conditional clause, first conditional clause, second conditional clause, third conditional clause. See, what is first conditional clause? First conditional clause is called zero conditional clause. Zero conditional clause, simple present tense. There are two clauses here. First is subordinate clause and another is main clause. Okay. In the subordinate clause, that means conditional clause, if verb is simple present tense, main clause, verb also simple present tense. Okay. For example, why we have to use this zero conditional clause? In what circumstances we have to use the conditional clause? See, for facts are universal truths and common sense. Okay, for common sense you have to use in simple present tense. Okay, for example, if you heat ice it melts. It is just common sense. Okay, if you heat the ice it melts. That is also universal fact. Okay, that is also universal fact. So, in that circumstances, you have to use simple present tense. Okay, for conditional clause, it is heat V1, ice melts, it is also V1. Okay, let us see one more example. If you step on snake, it bites. If you step on snake, it bites. It is just okay common sense, or it is a common sense. If you step on snake or if you step on dog, it bites. It is very simple. So if you step, that is V1. Okay, it bites, that is also V1. This clause is zero conditional clause. That means the conditional clause, if conditional clause is V1, that main clause also V1. Understand? Now let us move to first conditional clause. First conditional clause. It is called probable condition. It is called probable condition. Probable condition means probability. It will be sure for that. Okay, it will be sure for that. That means probable condition. How? In this condition, the structure is, if the conditional clause is V1, okay, that main clause would become will or shall or can, the modal auxiliaries, plus verb should be in one form. That means V1. Okay, verb should be in V1. Okay, so let us see for examples. If it rains, we will cancel the trip. It is a probable. It will be sure for that. Okay, if it rains, we will cancel the trip. It has more probability. Okay, possible. Probable means possible. Okay, possibility. So, if it rains, right, this clause, if V1, see the following clause. What is the main clause? Will plus V1. See structure V1, it is the conditional clause. It follows will or shall or can or may plus V1. This is the structure. So, if it rains, this is the one condition, one clause. We will cancel the trip. This is another clause. Okay, here this conditional clause or subordinate clause. Here some other clause is main clause. Okay, so when the conditional clause is V1, the main clause will become will or shall or can plus V1. Okay, so here if it rains V1, we will cancel the trip. V plus V1. Understand? And second conditional clause. This is improbable condition. Improbable condition. That means improbable means impossible. Okay. So V2, the conditional clause, if conditional clause is V2, the main clause will be would or could or might plus V1. Let us see the example. If I won the lottery, improbable. Okay. If I won the lottery, I would travel a lot. Okay. It is impossible. So, if I won the lottery, 1, V2, win 1, 1. So, this is V2. So, the main clause would travel, would plus V1. Would plus V1. Would plus V1. Would travel a lot. This is the second conditional. That is improbable or impossible condition. And third condition, unfulfilled. Okay, it never been fulfilled. Unfulfilled. And here for third conditional clause, in the conditional clause, verb is had. Verb is had. Plus in the main clause, would have plus V3. V3 means past participle. Okay. If you had studied, had plus V3, had, if you had studied, you would have passed the exam. Okay, so it is unfulfilled. Okay, unfulfilled condition. So, and let us see one more example in zero conditional. Okay, if you step on the snake bites, see in second condition, in the first conditional clause, if she runs fast, if she runs fast, V1, she can catch the bus. She can catch the bus. So can plus V1. And second conditional, one more example. If I were you, okay, improbable. If I were you, I would not do it. Would plus do it. Not come. Would not do that mistake. Okay. Here, third condition. If I hadn't been sick, I would have attended the party. See, had it. Had plus V3. Hadn't been. So I would have attended. Would have or should have, right? So would have plus V3. I would have attended the party. Okay. So here. Now I will give you some questions. Okay. Please do it and comment. In the comment section, please give the answer.